I am Margie Roswell, and I am singing this song for Louisa Daniels and her family. I'm going to interrupt to share a few words in Hebrew, a few phrases. Dor Ldor, sometimes also Dor Ldor, means from generation to generation. And the words her mother spoke were Chai, the people live. She spoke that when she was a little girl. Or a girl. Louisa's grandpa found it fine time to take a trip. So together with his wife and son, together with his wife and son and daughter sailed to Europe. All aboard they crossed the big wide ocean in a ship. They didn't land in Auschwitz, Bergen, Belsen, or Dachau. Oh, somehow they survived the years by fleeing state by state. 3,000 days of suffering and never quite recovering. To Rio they returned, a journey 8 years from that day. They had survived the war. His father saw her mother in Brazil and all aflutter. He courted several weeks the girl with long hair and beret. Envisioning a carriage, he asked her hand in marriage. The 3 kids each had parents who had barely even met. The story is passed down of how their mama came to Rio. She too survived the Holocaust, and one day on the street, her mother's father's brother, who didn't recognize her for a war will change a child, needed proof to want to meet. Dislocated, they really were related, and he told her of the relatives who lived across the sea, with real food in the cupboard. In Sweden they recovered when the paperwork was done. They sailed to real family. The G2 generation is the one that came up after. So Louisa and her siblings hold the trauma in their bones of suffering they hadn't lived, and continental family drift. Somehow they all emerged, although the harm was theirs to own. in these times of darkness, it is you who hold the light. Your mother's songs are in her heart. Some are written more to start her poetry, and love is strength, and strength predominate despite the pain of dislocations and the pain of generations. Through her acts of loving kindness, may your futures all be bright.
Holding a strong song.